Les Waller, we got this chair from our daughter and son-in-law, a very nice office chair that I'm going to use for my office setup. Let's show you how to put it together. Step 1. Put the legs in the base core. Fix it with the base screws that are labeled number 10. It's saying if there's a gap to use a rubber mallet to tap the legs to the core, but I don't really have a gap there. Step 2. Insert the casters into the bottom base. There are 5 of them. The way these niceties fit, they should not fall out when you turn them over, unlike some other furniture we put together. Insert the gas lift into the center hole of the base. Silver side up. Finally, place telescoping cover over the gas lift. So it's going to go like this. Step 3. Attach your mechanism to the bottom of the mesh seat, ensuring the front of the mechanism faces the front of the mesh seat. Front, that way. Front, that way. This is a really solid piece of steel. This whole package weighed 50 pounds. They didn't skimp on steel in this construction. I like it so far. To make sure I don't strip the threads, I always start by hand screwing. Now it's got some blue paint on these, so that means you're only going to be hand screwed so far, and it's going to give you a little resistance. And they did give me an extra number 10 screw and also an extra number 4 screw, it looks like. All right, they're all hand started. We're not going to cinch it up until they're all at about that level where they just touch the metal. Make sure everything's still aligned. Now we'll tighten it up. Step 4. To save installation time, armrest screws are already assembled when the chair arrives. Align the armrest screws with the screw holes in the backrest, tighten the Allen wrench, install the armrest covers. So you can see here that the screws are already in here. Inside you see L for left. Chair, armrest, screws, screw holes. Just started slightly. Make sure that they're both aligned. The threads are aligned first, and then we can go ahead and tighten it down. Do the same on the opposite side. Yeah, make sure it's in and aligned, goes in freely. So armrest covers came with the, actually came with this part here. They say you can use a knife to pop them out if they come loose and you need to tighten them. Always be careful when you're using sharp objects. Step 5. To attach the backrest to the seat, put the screws in the order they have in the booklet, screw them halfway, make sure everything's aligned, and then finish screwing them in. No different than putting on a tire, basically. Backrest screws, number 11. Okay, as you can see here, what we're doing is this is going to slide in right there and be screwed in. Following their instructions, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Just go where the metal touches this time. Recommend checking and tightening the screws once every 3 months, so keep this handy by where your chair is going to be. Step 6. Put this hole in there. Step 7, attach the headrest. You're gonna need something to pry the cover off. Phillips screwdriver will work. So this actually has to be, you're gonna have to put it in like this. Align the holes. And then come straight down. Once you got one started, get the second one started. And before you tighten it all the way, let's get the other one going to the end. Cover's only going to go on one way. Got to match the holes. Adjust headrest up or down with your hands. And also the angle can be adjusted. So adjust the seat height up or down. Push this clockwise. If I want the chair to be locked in a position, we push this handle in. Now it's locked. Out. It's not. Let's say I want to halfway. Now it's locked. Now it's not. You can also adjust the tension by turning the knob down here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Check out this chair. This looks really good. Ladies and gentlemen, the GABRYLLY black office chair is a really good chair. Very solid. I just assembled it. It's heavy. It comes in at 50 pounds, but very solid construction. I expect to have this for several years at least. This will be really good for your office setup. You've got it reclines. You've got your headrest that you can adjust. Your chairs can come. Your armrest can come out of the way. This awesome chair, I just can't say enough about it. I can't wait to spend the day sitting in this chair. Nice lining here, so it's not a cushion that's going to go flat and stay flat. Most of your gaming chairs do that. Don't get a gaming chair. Get a good office chair like this GABRYLLY black office chair we've got here. Honk, 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 honk. Honk, honk, honk. Honk, honk, honk. Honk, honk. Honk, honk.